Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain one of the most important Montessori teaching methods called the 3-period lesson. This lesson is used to teach letter, sounds, number, vocabulary, shapes and many other concepts. But very often we make one mistake. We rush the child. In this video I will explain what our 3-period lessons are, how to present them, and why it is perfectly okay to wait days before reaching the 3rd period. So let's start our video. 3-period lesson is a simple teaching method with 3 clear stages: naming, recognition, and recall. This lesson helps the child move from listening to understanding and remembering. It respects the child's pace and builds confidence. Period 1, naming. In first period, the teacher introduced the new concept. Like you can see, I have 3 colors: red, yellow and blue. Or you can use 1 or 2. Okay, first I will tell them this is red. Okay, let's do one thing. Remove all these 2. First introduce one color. This is red. This is red. This is yellow. This is yellow. This is blue. This is blue. Can you say blue? Yes, very good. This is blue. In this period, I do not ask any question and I do not expect any answer. The child's role is only to listen and observe. Period 1 can be repeated many times, even on different days. There is no limit. If the child looks distracted or tired, we stop and continue another day. Period 2, recognition. This is the most and second and most important and longest stage of 3-period lesson. Here the child starts to recognize the concept using the same colors. Like I ask, can you show me red? This is red. Can you touch yellow? The child responds by pointing, touching or picking up the correct material. Why we stay in period 2 for days? This stage helps the child build understanding, strengthen memory, feel confident, and it is completely normal to stay in period 2 for many days or even weeks. There is no hurry. What if the child make a mistake? If the child points to the wrong color, we do not correct harshly. We calmly repeated the correct names and return to the recognition activities. There is no failure in Montessori. Period 3 is called recall or confirmation. The 3rd period is when the child is asked to name the concept independently. Like when I ask, what is this? This period comes only when the child is ready. Very important rule. If the child cannot answer, we do not push. We do not repeat the question. We go back to period 2. The 3rd period is not a test. Why we do not rush to period 3? When we rush, children feel pressure. They lose confidence. Learning becomes stressful. Montessori learning is about calm repetition, trust, readiness. Waiting is not wasting time. Waiting is respecting development. Common mistakes to avoid: teaching too many items at once. As you saw, I taught them only one color at once. Asking recall question too early. Comparing children. Treating period 3 like an exam. The 3-period lesson teaches us patience. Every child learns at their own pace. Our role is to guide, not to rush. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more Montessori learning videos.